Alright, good evening everybody. Yan, welcome to our introduction to Forex trading tonight. So I will be your facilitator. I'm Coach CM. Welcome again, no? Can you type in sa chat box if saan kayo located as of the moment para alam natin no kung saan kayo nanonood as of today. Ayan, can you type in sa chat box nasan kayo? May mga nakikita ko no from Mindanao, Taguig, Cavite. All right. So ang dami. BGC, Isabela, okay? So yung mga kasamahan nyo na in-invite na wala pa, sige lang, papasukin lang natin sila, no? But we will start. Actually, hindi na siya on time, pero we will try to finish no yung session natin for this evening on time. Okay? Okay ba kayo doon? Ayan. So I'm sure we are all excited tonight to learn more about what is Forex trading is. Okay? So this is your first step no to financial freedom. And I will be sharing to you my knowledge and expertise no in terms of basic information para mas maiunawaan natin, mas maintindihan natin ano ba yung forex trading. Okay? Para hindi tayo pabigla-bigla ng pagpasok, ano ba yung pinapasok natin. Okay? Can you type in number 1 if this is your first time to hear about forex trading? Yan. Type in number 1 sa chat box, no? If first time, okay, na narinig. Ayan, watching from London. Wow, we have guests, no, from London. Welcome, sir. You can change your Zoom name, no, to your real name for attendance purposes also. Okay? And ayan, meron tayong mga first timers. And we also have if you are already a forex trader, no, pero gusto mong mas maging profitable ka this time. Ayan, can you type in number 2 sa chat box? Type in number 2 sa chat box if you want to become more profitable this time. Okay, so syempre no kasi somehow na encounter na natin yung forex trading pero hindi tayo naging profitable nung una. Okay, maybe this time no by learning kasi we believe that we really have to study okay yung forex trading for us to become profitable. Okay? Yan, can you type letter R kung ready na no to hear yung mga sasabihin ko for tonight. Okay. Okay, can you type in R? Sige, okay na, ready na yung mga participants natin, no? So just to give you a brief background about myself. So introduce lang ako, no? So kilala niyo naman na yung name ko, but this is my background, no, my credentials. I'm a registered nurse by profession. Okay, certified wealth planner din po ako, no? In one of the biggest insurance company here in the Philippines. All right? And syempre no, nagpa-certify na rin tayo as technical analyst. Hopefully, mapasa ko yung napakahirap na exam. Okay, and syempre no, I'm also a business owner. Isang maliit lang naman na coffee shop sa province, okay? Pero at least no, we have experience how to handle also yung mga businesses. Yan. So yan yung mga expertise ko. And also I'm the founder of PGFX or Pips Guild Forex Group. Ayan. So ayan yung background natin, no? Hopefully, I'm very much qualified to share with you my knowledge and experience, no, in terms of forex trading tonight. Okay,
Okay na.
so sabi niyo naman ready na kayo.
Yung
Sige, i-mute lang natin yung
request.
iba, no? Para wala akong kaagaw. Ano ba siya i-mute? Ayan, patulong na lang team, no, sa mga co-host natin. Alright, so tuloy na natin. Okay, so forex trading, the world's largest financial market. So did you know guys, no? Yan, marami pang mga pumapasok. Sige, pasok lang kayo. Did you know guys that forex trading is the world's largest financial market? Or first time nyong marinig na yan pala yung pinakamalaking financial market in the world. Okay, so grabe no? Para makita nyo kung gaano kalaki ang forex, let's compare it to the biggest industries in the world. Okay, ito yung mga biggest industries na alam natin, no? Healthcare industry, so galing ako dyan. Actually, healthcare industry generates no about $9 trillion per year. So yun yung generate ng income. And then for global technology industry, around 5 trillion annually. So nakikita nyo dun sa screen natin, no? Or even yung real estate industry, no? Around, estimate, no? Nasa 4 trillion annually. So grabe pa rin yung ano no, forex market kasi yung perang umiikot pala sa forex, okay? Nasa 7+ trillion dollars every single day. Okay, daily no, nakikita nyo to, daily. Grabe no? Kahit pagsamasamahin natin yung real estate, insurance, food industry no, kahit umabot pa yan ng trillions per year, pinakamalaki pa rin yung forex market. Okay, so that's how massive, liquid, and dynamic this market is compared to anything else in the world. Okay, so nasa tamang industry ba kayo? Can you type in yes sa chat box? Tama ba tong pinasok nyo? Sa mga nag-iisip pa, no? Tama ba tong pinasok kong Zoom? Okay, so we are 17 here in the Zoom session. So congratulations, no? Because tonight, your life will change. Okay? Because of this information na ngayon mo lang narinig na grabe pala tong Forex na to, no? Sobrang laki ng pera na umiikot. Alright? So tuloy natin yung ating presentation. So brief history lang and background about Forex trading. So this has existed no for centuries, but it became formalized in 1875. Ayan no, yung gold naging standard system siya na introduce no linking currencies to gold to stabilize exchange rates. Okay, so nung 1875 pa pala nag-start. Okay, so kung ngayon, tas ngayon lang natin nalaman no na meron na palang forex trading even before pa. Okay? So after World War II, the Bretton Woods Agreement no made the US dollar the global reserve. Okay? So when the gold standard collapsed in 1970s, okay, nag-collapse yung gold standard, no? Free floating exchange rates began. So doon na nag-start yung mga exchange rates. So magkakaiba na yon. Okay? So this is the modern forex market we know today. So yung nakikita nyo guys na yung mga establishments no na nagpapa-exchange for example from peso to dollars yan. Yan yung mga modern forex market. Okay? So by the
Mm.
1990s, so what's the reason bakit natin to sinishare sa
Hello,
inyo
ma'am.
guys? Hello po. Ayan. Sige, i-mute lang
Okay,
natin no
ma'am.
yung okay po. Ayan, okay. So, the reason why we are sharing you this information is because we want you to appreciate no na yung forex trading pala hindi lang ngayon. Kasi ngayon lang natin nalaman, 'di ba, na meron palang ganitong industry, meron palang ganitong market na sobrang laki ng pera na umiikot and the potential of earning big in this industry is very very good. Okay, grabe no? Imagine mo $7 trillion tapos every single day umiikot tapos wala ka man lang kinikita. Papayag ka ba? 'Di ba? Papayag ka bang ganon? So going back to the history no, 1980s no, thanks to the internet, so retail traders like us tayo no gained access and now it's the largest financial market worldwide. Pasalamat ba tayo na discover din yung internet no ng 1990s and we were able to participate in the forex trading international. Okay, gusto nyo ba yun guys? Can you type in number 3 sa chat box? Okay, type in number 3 no. Yan, thankful ba tayo no kay Lord na meron tayong opportunity tonight na mapakinggan na meron palang ganitong pwedeng pagkakitaan. Okay? Ayan. Okay, so if you have questions guys, no, please feel free to chat sa chat box or pwede rin kayo mag-unmute kung gusto nyo. Okay, if you have questions. Alright, so tuloy na natin. Our goal here no in understanding forex trading is of course no profit from currency value fluctuations while managing the risk. Kasi itong pinapasok po natin or any type of investment or ventures na gagawin natin sa buhay natin always meron naman talagang kasamang what? Risk. Okay, type R for risk. Yan, type R naman sa chat box no. If you also believe that everything we do meron naman talagang risk eh. Tama? Do you agree with that? Lahat ng ginagawa natin may risk. Lahat ng paglabas mo pa nga lang ng pinto ng bahay mo, may risk na. Tama? Pwede kang madisgrasya or pwedeng may mangyari sa'yo. Tama? And of course, in investment, in managing our finances, no, meron rin syempreng risk. Okay? So by definition, what is forex trading? So this is the process of buying one currency while simultaneously selling another. Okay? With the goal of profiting from exchanges or changes in their exchange rates. Okay? So, syempre, ang goal natin not to lose, no? But to gain profits. Yun naman talaga yung pinaka-objective natin why we are doing forex trading. Okay? So, how it works? So, it works, no? And lagi siyang naka-pair, okay? It works always in pairs, no? For example, Euro USD, Gold USD, yan. So, iba-iba. Marami pang examples yan. Okay? So, depende sa gusto nyong aralin, gusto nyong i-focus. But of course, um, iba rin yung market, ano nila, market tawag dito, market performance, no? Iba-iba yung kanilang mga trends, iba-iba yung kanilang galaw sa market. Okay? And access, open siya 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, no? Across global trading session. So we have London, New York, Tokyo, and Sydney sessions. So kapag pumasok na kayo, no, and you dig deep din talaga yung information about trading, so malalaman nyo yung different sessions na yon, okay? Kailan ba or ano ba yung best time na papasok ka, okay? Or magte-trade ka, anong oras ba sa Philippines, no? Yung equivalent nun. Okay? And of course, participants, no? Central banks, ang mga nagpa-participate sa forex trading, central banks, financial institutions, like for example, kami no, nasa insurance industry. So yung insurance company namin also participate in forex trading, okay? In stocks, 'di ba? So yung mga investments na ganun and hedge funds and retail traders like us. Okay? So tayo yung mga nagpa-participate sa forex trading. Okay? So far so good ba learning, guys? No? Can you type in number 4 sa chat box if you are learning? So ganyan pala yung forex, no? So kahit papaano ngayon nagkaroon tayo ng basic knowledge. Ano ba yung forex trading na tinatawag? Okay. Again, next slide tayo. So mechanics of forex trading. Okay? So in terms of mechanics, no, here's how forex works behind the scenes. Okay? So sabi nga natin kanina, it always works as pairs. So ito yung mga currency pairs, no? Always quoted in pairs. Yung sample natin kanina, no? Base currency yung first versus yung quote currency, yung second. Okay? So in the sample of Euro USD, first currency or base currency is euro and then yung quote currency, yung second is the USD. Okay? So yan. And bid and ask price. Of course, meron din tayong tinatawag na bid and ask price. So they earn from the spread. Ito yung tinatawag din natin yung bid, price you sell, the base currency. Okay? And then yung ask naman, price you buy the base currency. So yung difference na yon doon sa bid and ask price is called the spread. And ito rin yung kinikita no ng ating mga international brokers. Okay? So, syempre sila yung nag-aalaw sa atin to participate in the international market to do our forex trading. So, doon din sila kumukuha ng kanilang income. Okay? Doon sa bid and ask price or yung spread na tinatawag. Okay? Ano naman yung lots and pips? Okay? So, ano naman yung lots and pips, no? So, lot size, so yung standard nito 100,000 units, no? Mini, 10,000 units, and micro, 1,000 units. So kung makikita nyo dyan, yung 0.01, 0.1, yung 1, yan yung mga lot size natin. And of course, if we understand no how does it affect yung ating trading, okay? Malalaman natin yan kapag nakapag-try na tayong mag-trade. So ano ba yung effect ng 0.01 na lot size? Ano ba yung effect ng 0.1 na lot size? Ano ba yung effect na 1 na lot size? Okay, so ma-appreciate natin yan kapag na-try na natin pumasok sa market. Alright? So pip is the smallest price movement. So yung 0.0001 for most pairs. Okay? Yung every galaw, okay? Nung pairs na tinitrade natin, no, that's called pip. Kaya minsan nakikita nyo sa mga post natin, no, how many pips yung naging profit. Okay? And of course, it is converted dun sa dollars. Okay? Kung ilang pips yon, tapos kung ilan yung lot size, pwede mong i-multiply para malaman mo kung magkano yung dollars na magiging profit mo or magiging loss mo. Okay, so far so good ba guys? And then leverage, of course, no? Borrowed capital to control larger position. So yung capital mo kahit maliit pero malaki yung leverage niyan. Okay, let's say for example 500:1. Okay, so mas powerful yung capital mo, makakapasok ka ng mas maraming entries, no? But of course, meron ding ano yon, negative side kasi kapag powerful yung capital mo na makapasok ka, mas malaki din yung magiging loss mo. Okay? So basically, borrowed capital to control larger positions. Okay? Ibig sabihin, pinahiram ka ng broker, no, para makapag-trade ka ng mas maayos. Okay? Example niyan, 1:100 or 1:500. Okay? So $1,000 controls $100,000 position. So ganun siya nag-work. Okay? So it also increases both profit and risk. So pwedeng tumaas yung profit mo, pwede ring bumaba or tumaas yung loss mo or yung risk mo. Okay, orders naman, market order, instant buy and sell. So makikita mo doon kapag pumindot ka no, ng MetaTrader or yung application na ginagamit natin in trading, nakalagay na doon buy or sell. So that's the market order or yung instant market order. So meron din naman tayong pending orders, buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. So syempre hindi na natin yan iisa-isahin ngayon. Okay? Para lang magkaroon kayo ng idea, no? Magkaroon lang kayo muna ng idea na ano ba tong mga to? Okay, para at least narinig nyo na. Tapos pag nakita nyo na doon sa actual na application na ginagamit natin for trading, hindi nyo na first time na marinig. Okay, profit and loss naman determined by movement in pips times lot size. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, no? Pwede mong i-multiply kung ilan yung pips tapos ilan yung lot size mo. That's the total amount of your profit. Okay, so example, Euro USD moves 50 pips in your favor on a standard lot size. So, ang possible na profit nito is around $500. Okay, so ganun po siya nag-work. Alright? So, okay pa kayo guys? Okay, let's now go to basic trading approaches. So, Coach CM, ano naman po yung mga approaches na pwede kong matutunan pagpasok ko dyan? Okay, so meron tayong tinatawag na mga scalpers, day traders, swing traders, position traders. Okay, bakit sila tinawag na ganon? Because ito yung approach na ginagawa nila no, sa kanilang trading journey. Okay, so time frame nito, seconds to minutes, yung scalping. Okay, ang goal nito, small to frequent profits. Okay, maliit lang pero okay na basta profits. Okay, kasi very quick no yung trade. Okay, yung pagpasok nila and pag-out dun sa market. So how it works, quick trades, exploiting tiny price moves. The volatile the market, the better. Okay, yan yung mga gusto ng mga scalpers. Okay, kasi mas gumagalaw yung market, mas okay yung volume, mas okay din yung pasok nila. Okay? So, ano naman yung pros nito? Many opportunities, fast results. So, in just few minutes, meron ka na agad profits. Okay? Yung mga small profits kasi na yon, pag naipon din, malaki din siya. Do you all agree? Yes or yes? Type 5 no kung sino yung gustong few minutes lang sa market, then out na, tapos may profits ka na. Can you type in sa chat box? Kung tingin mo ganito rin yung gusto mong approach. Ayan si Miss Mary Jane. Ayan. I see team. Number 3 pala yung ano niya. Yes, for first timer po. All right. 'Di ba? Gusto natin no yung few minutes pa lang meron na tayong profits agad. Ano naman yung negative side nito? Stressful siya no, needs fast execution and low spreads. Okay, so ang disadvantage niya naman, ang cons niya naman no is kapag mabagal ka pumindot, malilate ka talaga. Okay, malilate ka dun sa instead na profit na yung position mo, naging loss pa or negative pa. Okay? Pero again, it takes practice, it takes um yung aralin mo talaga kung paano ka magiging profitable. Alright? Day trading. Okay, ito naman minutes to hours, same day lang to. Okay, capture yung intraday moves. Okay, so hindi na natin isa-isahin yan guys. Bigyan ko lang kayo ng idea. Okay, kasi kulang yung 45 minutes natin or 1 hour. Swing trading naman, days to weeks. Okay, so ito naman ang maganda naman dito, hindi mo kailangan no na nakabantay ka talaga sa market. Okay? So, magsiset ka na lang doon tapos siguro from time to time i-check mo din yung yung entries mo no pero hindi mo kailangang bantayan just like doon sa scalping. Okay? Sa scalping. Pero sa scalping naman sa sobrang bilis kasi no nung sa scalping, hindi na tayo nakakapaglagay nung tinatawag na stop loss or take profit. Okay? Sa sobrang bilis. Yan. Okay, pero dito sa day trading, swing trading, position trading, of course, no, pwede nating gawin yon. Yung pagsiset na, nakaset na siya, tapos pwede mo na siyang iwan. Okay? Position trading naman weeks to months. Okay? Nag-differ lang sila no, doon sa time frame. Tapos, medyo sa goal, of course, lahat naman profits, no, yung gusto niyan. How it works, ganun din. Um, Well, almost same din naman, no? Ito kasi sa quick moves lang, ito pwede silang magstay sa market. Okay, ayan. Okay, may questions po ba so far? Okay, kung wala, let's go. Let's move on. So types of analysis naman, no? We have different analysis types. So first is technical, okay? Next is fundamental, and the third one is sentimental analysis. Oh, okay, so ano naman ituturo po lahat 'yan? Yes po, ituturo po lahat ng ito no kasi in 1 hour, hindi ko po ito maituturo lahat yung deeper understanding. Okay? Pero yung basic, no, para at least meron lang kayong idea. Okay, so ito po yun. Kinompleto ko po ito, no, para at least pag pinasok nyo talaga itong pagtitrade ng Forex, alam nyo na, okay, ito yung mga nabanggit ni Coach CM. Okay? So technical analysis, price action, and chart patterns. Ito yung focus niyan. So dito pumapasok yung candlestick, support and resistance, and yung mga different indicators. Okay? And then yung fundamental naman, ito more on economic and political events. So ito yung mga high impact news. Okay, so the reason kung bakit chine-check pa rin natin yung mga kung merong high impact news kasi nga naapektuhan pa rin yung galaw ng market. Okay? So, we need to consider then and check also, no? Kasi kapag may mga high impact news, sobrang taas yun ang galaw or sobrang baba nung galaw nung candlesticks natin. Okay? And then sentiment naman, market psychology and positioning. So basically, this is yung kung ano yung sentiment ng mga traders no so tingin mo ano kaya yung isipin ng mga traders no sa ganitong level so syempre kino-consider din natin yon kasi at least meron tayong paano ko ba siya meron tayong parang background no na psychology ito yung iniisip ng mga tao so pwedeng dito ako magposisyon. Okay, so ganun po. Thanks in advance. Okay po, Sir Troy. Okay, so yan. Lahat ng yan, matututunan nyo yan isa-isa. Okay, so technical, fundamental, and sentiment analysis. Okay? So, forex trading tools and resources, of course, no, yung pagfo-forex natin, may mga tools tayong ginagamit. So, nung una kasi, actually, last year lang din ako nag-start no, nakakapanghinayang kasi tinagal ko din sa money management industry, no? 8 to 9 years ako sa insurance and investment. Last year ko lang kinonsider yung pagfo-forex. Okay? Kasi tingin ko scam siya. Okay? Kala ko scam. Okay? Pero nung umattend ako ng isang training no as certified wealth planner, okay, doon ko na-encounter na yung Forex pala hindi siya scam. Naging scam lang siya doon sa mga tao na, kunwari, nagpa-deposit ng ganito sa account, tapos wala na, hindi na nakabalik. Or there are platforms na nag-deposit ka, hindi mo na ma-withdraw. Okay? Yan, yung iba daw ginawang networking. Ako no, I have nothing against networking because yung networking, actually ginagawa naman natin siya every single day, 'di ba? Even sa work, 'di ba? May mga positions tayo and everything, no? And we need networks also to grow our business. Siguro yung sinasabi ni sino to? Sir Troy na ginawang networking, baka pinagkakitaan yung ibang mga tao. Okay? Without their investment, hindi na nakabalik sa kanila yung kanilang investment or nalugi sila or whatever. Pero syempre sa forex trading, no, meron pa ring risk na malos tayo. That's the reason why we are educating people, kasi ang goal naman talaga natin, educate Filipinos, no, na matutunan nila paano ba gawin yung forex trading. Okay? Kasi ako, I believe na imagine mo 8 to 10 or 10 to 12 hours every single day. Many Filipinos are spending their time sa full-time work nila, and yet how much yung kinikita nila. Yan. Any idea, 'di ba? Yung iba minimum wage talaga, 'di ba? Okay na nga yung 1K, 2K a day, 'di ba? Medyo maganda na yung position niyan. Pero nung na-realize ko kasi dito na pwede kang kumita in just few minutes, 'di ba? Hindi mo kailangang spend yung 10 hours mo or 8 hours mo sa pagtatrabaho, 'di ba? Na-realize ko na hindi lang pala alam ng mga Pinoy. Okay, kung paano ito gawin. So here I am tonight, no. Nandito ako in front of you sharing this information, valuable information, na kapag natutunan nyo yung forex trading, madali na lang po yung income. Okay, madali na lang po mag-profit. Sad but true. Okay, so yan. So let's go now, go back to the tools and resources. Charting platform. So we are using MetaTrade. Ako, I'm personally using MetaTrader 5. Pero some of the traders, no, masanay sila sa MetaTrader 4. Okay lang po yun. So nag-work naman siya pareho. Okay? For analysis and execution. Okay? We can execute our trades through the MetaTrader 4 or 5. Okay? Sabi ko nga, I'm using MetaTrader 5. Simple lang kasi yung kanyang interface. Mabilis ka lang makapag-buy, makapag-sell. As long as connected na, no, yung account mo from the broker to the MetaTrader 5. Actually, I was introduced in forex trading no way back 2017 by some foreigners. Okay, foreigners yung nag-introduce sa akin. Pero yun nga, feeling ko scam. So nag-download lang ako ng MetaTrader 5, tapos hindi ko rin alam kung paano ko siya gagawin. Okay, nagpindot-pindot ako, hindi ko rin naintindihan. Okay, fast forward last year, this was introduced, no. I want to honor din si Pastor Joey, siya, Mentor Joey, no. Siya yung nag-introduce sa akin nitong community. Okay, so doon ko na nasimulan na intindihan through the courses na inoffer din. Mas mabilis ko siyang naunawaan kasi syempre, ano na yun, may community ka na, tapos yung learning, may mga training, so mas mabilis yung learning curve, learning process. Okay, so ganun din yung ginagawa natin sa inyo, guys. Gusto natin mapabilis na matutunan nyo ano ba tong papasukin ninyo para mas mabilis din kayo mag-profit or kumita. Alright? So another is we are using TradingView. This is for free. Pwede kayong mag-sign up, no, sa TradingView. Most of the traders ito yung ginagamit, pero pwede rin kayong mag-pay, no, ng paid or premium account sa TradingView para mas ma-maximize mo. Pero kung ayaw mong gumastos, okay lang for free. Okay, C-Trader, alternative platform with advanced order types. Itong C-Trader hindi ko masyadong nagagamit, pero you can explore using this. So basically itong dalawa, MetaTrader 5 and TradingView yung ginagamit ko. MetaTrader 5 kasi nakakonect sa phone ko, mas mabilis ko execute yung mga trades ko. Alright? So next is analysis tools. So ano ba yung mga ginagamit natin? Okay, price action, Reading candlesticks, no, candlestick patterns, support and resistance, yung supply and demand zones. So we need to know saan ba yung support, saan yung resistance, no, para mas madali natin malaman kung okay pa bang pumasok, okay, o kailangan ko na bang i-out yung entry ko. Okay? So by knowing those important information, no, mas magiging profitable tayo. Okay, actually itong mga basic na to, ito yun lang yung kailangan nyo, no, na ma-master. Pag na-master nyo, kayang-kaya nyo na mag-profit. Okay, mga indicators or oscillators. So we have moving averages, RSI, MACD, yan, lahat yan, Bollinger Bands, stochastic oscillators, lahat yan pag-aaralan. Okay, pag-aaralan natin. Available din yung mga videos, trainings for all these things. Alright, charting tools, Fibonacci retracement or extension, trend lines and channels, chart patterns, yan, lahat yan. Volume and volatility tools, volume indicators, ATR. Pwede nyo, no, if I were you, pwede nyo ring, kasi sa dami ng mga indicators din, maganda na ma-master mo, no, yung indicator na gagamitin mo for your personal trades. Okay? Kasi yung iba, ginagaya lang yung indicator na ginagamit ng coach nila. 'Di ba? Eh inaral na 'yan, pre-practice na 'yan ng coach ninyo. Pero kayo, 'di ba, hindi niyo naman alam kung pag ganitong level na or nag-meet na sa level na ganito, ano yung gagawin mo. So yung mga ganon. So ita-try and test mo din yung sarili mong mga indicators na gagamitin. Okay? So ako kasi I personally discovered din yung mga indicators na ginagamit ko. Bina-backtest ko din siya and tinatry ko din sa demo accounts. And yun pala guys, no, yung very good news kasi you can always start with demo accounts. You don't have to deposit agad ng malaki, no, para matutunan siya. Okay? Ibig sabihin ng demo account, pwede mong i-practice yung trades mo, no, na hindi ka malulos ng totoong pera. Okay? Demo account kasi syempre, 'di ba? Pwede kang mag-loss doon pero wala ka namang pinasok na pera doon. Okay, by that time na ready ka na talaga mag-trade and you know what to do, no, doon sa personal trades mo. Pwede ka na mag-deposit sa broker natin and then you do your real account trading. Okay, okay po ba 'yon? Okay pa ba kayo dyan, guys? Can you type in number 6 sa chat box if you are all listening? Yan, 19 na tayo sa Zoom natin. Yan, thank you Sir Jeff, Mary Jane, JM. Okay. Yes, boss. All right. Okay, so this time, no, siguro medyo jargons lang yung mga terminologies, words, pero okay lang yan kasi ganyan din naman ako before. Okay, so news impact, ito yung mga kino-consider natin, no, yung mga red folders, don't worry, yung mga links na kailangan nyo, bibigay din natin sa inyo. Alright? Yan. And risk management essentials, ito yung lagi nating tinuturo din sa mga new traders natin. Kasi ayaw naman natin kasi ang goal naman kasi talaga natin dito, mag-profit. And the more na mag-profit yung mga teammates natin, mas masaya tayong community. Yes or yes, di ba? Ayaw nating naglo-loss. Pero hindi rin maiwasan yung losses kasi nga pasaway yung bagong trader. Okay, and pinagdaanan na namin yan lahat guys. Kaya alam namin yung pakiramdam, alam namin yung mga pinagagawa nyo. Okay, so risk per trade, general rule, risk is around 1 to 2% of your account per trade. Okay, so kung 1 to 2%, masusunog ba yung account mo? Definitely not. Pero kapag pasaway ka, yes, sunog yan. Sure ako doon. Okay? For example, 50,000 pesos account, no, max loss 500 to 1,000 per trade. Okay? So tinuturo po natin 'to hindi po natin pinagti-trade yung mga traders natin na mag-trade ka na mag-trade. Okay? Hindi po ganoon. Okay? So risk to reward ratio standard 1:2 or higher, meaning you are willing to risk 500 pesos tapos ang target mo 1,000 pesos or more. Okay? So hindi willing to risk yung lahat ng capital mo tapos ang target mo lang maliit. Okay? So hindi natin yung ginagawa. Okay? So keeps you profitable kahit 40% win rate lang. And so far, yung mga live trading sessions natin sa team, sa community, no, nasa around 80% pataas. Okay? Sa gold BTC natin nasa I think 82% or 81% win rate yung buong month of October. Okay? So grabe no, kung sinunod mo yung sinasabi ng mga coaches natin, malaki na yung naging profits mo. Okay? So next is position sizing. Compute lot size based on account size plus stop loss distance. Okay? So formula, position, ito, sure ako hindi nyo naman to matatandaan. Pero pag nagtitrade na kayo, ma-appreciate nyo to. So account risk per trade divided by SL in pips times pip value. Okay? So yung tools natin dyan, MetaTrader 5, position size calculator or online calculators, meron din po tayo. Okay? So stop loss and take profit, ito yung tinatawag nating SL and TP. Okay? Always set at SL, huwag mag-mental stop. Okay? So hindi po makakat loss yung losses mo kapag hindi mo nilagyan ng SL. Okay? Place SL beyond structure, support resistance, swing high-low. Okay? So doon naman natin nilalagay yung SL natin kapag nag-a-analyze tayo. And then TP, based on your risk-reward ratio and nearby key levels. Don't worry guys, no, kasi i-guide din naman namin kayo kung saan yung support, saan yung resistance, no. And most of every day naman meron tayong intraday. Don't worry, no. Meron tayong ilalabas na intraday para makikita nyo saan yung support level, resistance level, kailan kayo i-entry, kapag ganito yung nangyari, papasok ba kayo sa market or hindi. Okay, so bibigyan natin kayo ng support na ganyan. So I'm also excited for that. Okay, so daily loss limit. Ito naman daily loss limit natin, no? Maximum 3 to 5% daily loss rule. Okay, so bakit nasusunog yung ibang mga trader? Kasi nga walang risk management. Okay, so willing to lose yung 100% capital nila. Pero syempre, depende pa rin sa risk appetite nung trader. Okay, gaya ko, high risk taker din ako, no? So, laban kong laban. Okay, pero syempre, no, as nagtuturo din tayo, kailangan nating i-practice din. Okay, so if hit, stop trading, protect mental state and capital. And most of the times, emotions naman talaga yung kalaban natin. Kung napapansin nyo guys, no, kapag na-loss ka, tapos nag-trade ka pa ng nag-trade, dinagdagan mo pa yung losses mo. Okay? Kasi hindi na din ayos yung emotional state mo. You want to revenge. Okay? Revenge trade yung tawag natin doon. And most of the times, no, hindi nakakabawi yung trader. Kasi nga, nagre-revenge trade. Wala na siyang, wala nang maayos na analysis. Nanguhula na lang yung entries niya kasi gusto niya nga makabawi. Okay? Leverage control, don't over leverage kahit tempting. Okay? Use leverage as tool, not as shortcut. Kasi 'di ba, lalo sa scalpers, prone sa big drawdowns. Ang hino-hold yung red, yung losses, hindi kinakat, 'di ba? Tapos pag yung blue or profit, out agad sa market. Okay? So, lahat yan matututunan nyo naman, guys. Okay? Don't worry. And then, psychological risk, stick to your plan. Huwag desperate no, sa pagbawi ng losses or revenge trading. Okay? Accept that losses are part of trading. Okay? So, ito yung steps to start trading. So, learn. Of course, now we have School of Traders. Okay? Introduce ko sa inyo yung ating platform, community for you to really learn. Lahat ng mga pinagsasabi ko guys, no, lahat doon in detailed malalaman nyo, matututunan nyo. Okay, kasi ako, natutunan ko siya no, in a very short period. Actually, kaya nga siyang i-complete no, in just a month. Okay? Kapag naka-enroll na kayo no, in just a month, kaya nyong tapusin yung mga videos. Okay, yung mga training. Pero syempre, no, yung mga live trading sessions natin as support to all our traders, no, every single day meron po tayong live trading. Okay? Ayan. Wait lang. Okay, learn, open account, and then trade with a plan. So, ganun lang ka simple. Is learning Forex trading difficult? Actually, the answer to this is yes and no. Okay? Sa una, kung wala kang community, wala kang mag-guide sa'yo, mahihirapan ka talagang matutunan. Actually, pwede namang pwede kayong mag-aral sa YouTube, guys, no? Pero good luck. Hindi nyo kasi ma-filter ano yung information na kailangan nyo and ano yung information na will make you profitable in this industry. Okay, sa dami ng mga information sa internet, pwede naman, pero maghahalo-halo kasi yun based doon sa natutunan mo. Okay? Pero madali dahil nandyan kayo mga coaches. Or yes, GM, no? Ganun din yung nangyari sa akin. Kaya giving back to the community, no, we want to help also yung mga nagsisimula. Kasi pag marunong ka naman na go, kung ano yung gusto mong matutunan sa internet, mafi-filter mo na kasi kung ano yung information na kailangan mo. Kaysa yung ngayon, mag-start ka dun sa outside internet, no, or well, pwede ka naman mag-enroll sa iba, yun nga lang mas mahal. Kasi makikita nyo guys, sobrang mura natin in-offer yung ating courses, yung ating community access. Okay? So, yan. Difficult to less difficult. Sino yung gusto? Siyempre, gusto nating lahat to. 'Di ba? So, I'd like to introduce to you, okay, welcome to School of Traders. Okay, so ito yung ating community. Okay, panoorin nyo na lang, no, para, yan, may video naman
Imagine
tayo.
this. Imagine walking into your dream home, driving your dream car, traveling anywhere, anytime, living life on your own terms. Yun ba ang iniisip mo na makukuha agad sa forex o crypto trading? Yung paggising mo isang araw, mayaman ka na agad? Yan ang madalas na pangako ng mga scammers. Yes, posible ang kumita sa trading, pero hindi ito get rich quick. It takes time, effort, and the right guidance to become truly profitable. And that's where School of Traders comes in. Welcome to School of Traders, where traders are built, not born. We combine real-world trading experience, proven strategies, and a supportive community to help you trade smarter, not harder. We're more than a course. We're a movement. A global trading family that supports you every step of the way, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro. Ang School of Traders ay hindi lang basta trading group. It's a trading family that grows with you. Sama-samang nag-a-analyze ng charts, daily discussions to keep you sharp, mentorship to guide you, and even the trader map to connect with people near you. So you're never trading alone. Dito, lahat welcome. Beginner man o pro. Collaboration, healthy competition. Every win you achieve, the whole community celebrates with you. These are the privileges inside the school. Structured learning path, from beginner basics to advanced strategies, with clear step-by-step education. Technical and fundamental mastery, read charts, understand trends, and trade with confidence. Live trading session, watch mentors analyze and trade real-time in the markets. Daily trade signals, clear entry, exit, and stop-loss points, plus copy trade options for ease. Auto trade feature, let our tested automated system trade for you when life gets busy. Trader map, connect with traders near you, network, share strategies, and even build local trading communities. Global trading community, collaborate with like-minded traders worldwide and grow together. Daily market discussions, share trade setups, ask questions, and get real-time feedback. Mentorship and guidance, direct access to experienced coaches and traders ready to guide you. Ranks, certifications, and rewards. Track your growth, unlock achievements, and earn recognition. Exclusive events and challenges. Join live webinars, trading challenges, and Q&As to make your journey exciting. Trader ranks. Inside the school, you'll climb 8 unique trader ranks, starting from beginner levels up to elite mastery. Imagine unlocking titles like Elite, Legend, Mythic, and beyond. Each rank represents your progress, discipline, and consistency. School of Traders isn't just about learning. It's about transformation. Here, passion meets discipline, and dreams turn into results. After that, join at a special discounted rate, normally $200. Limited time only. Learn, trade, connect, grow. This is School of Traders.
Alright. So yun guys, no, yun yung summary ng community natin. Okay, and of course, we have trading profits and testimonials. So once you join our community, makikita nyo rin naman doon. Okay, ilan lang to sa mga naging profitable, no? Kahit yung mga nag-invite sa inyo, tanongin nyo sila, kamusta yung profits nila, no? Kamusta yung profits ng mga bago na kahit ilang days or ilang weeks or ilang months pa lang. Okay, may kilala ako 6 months pa lang, sobrang profitable niya na. Okay, so hindi ko na isa-isahin yan kasi makikita niyo naman lahat yan sa ating community. Okay, but I want you to think about this, no, this opportunity, because it can really change lives. Okay, yung especially yung goal natin sa uh, mga kakilala natin, di ba? Imagine mo makabili ka ng bagong sasakyan. Okay, makabili ka ng bagong bahay mo, or mabayaran mo yung mga utang mo, or kung ano man, makapagtayo ka ng business, makapag-travel ka or whatsoever. Kung ano yung financial goals nyo, no, I guarantee you na kayang-kaya dito sa School of Traders as long as matutunan nyo siya. Okay? Kailangan nyo munang matutunan paano yung ginagawa before yung profits. Kasi yung gusto ng iba, gusto nila pagka-join profits agad. Okay? Kaya yung iba nagtitrade agad ng real account, real money. So what happened? So ang nangyayari, nalulos. And then kapag nalos, ayaw na. Yung mga taong ganun kasi guys, kapag na-loss ayaw na, ibig sabihin hindi nila naintindihan ano talaga yung forex trading. Ano yung kanilang pinasok. Okay? Pero ako, naniniwala ako na I stayed even though meron din ako mga losses, of course. So pagkwentuhan natin yan next time kapag part na kayo ng community, no? So, tsaka marami tayong mga activities like bootcamps, meetups every Thursday night sa Starbucks sa Shangri-La, EDSA, no? So, nagmi-meet tayo doon with the traders kasi iba yung nagtitrade ka na solo mo, iba yung nagtitrade ka na merong community. Yes or yes? Do you agree with that? Masaya na nagpa-profit ka, okay? Nag-trade ka, nag-profit ka, and you have your community. And okay din naman kahit nag-loss ka kasi may kasama ka ring nag-loss. Okay, joke lang. Siyempre, iba rin kasi yung meron ka talagang nakakausap. Okay, so yon, basically yon lang yung gusto nating i-share sa inyo guys, no. Summary ng ating School of Traders, yan, auto trade, yung mga benefits na makikita nyo. And for the cost, so from $199, no, we are offering this for only $49 per month na subscription or enrollment. Okay, so sobrang mura na niya guys kasi kaka-check ko lang din kanina doon sa ibang offer, no, na nag-offer din ng mga courses na sa around, I think nasa 58,000 pesos yung in-offer nila. Sa atin, $49 lang, nasa around 2,800 pesos. Okay? Imagine mo, no, yan yung subscription mo for 1 month tapos kaya mo siyang kitain in just 1 day. Okay, mababawi mo na siya agad in just 1 day. Okay, so yun. So you can connect with the person who invited you tonight for the details, no? And syempre, sinishare namin itong School of Traders because aside doon sa income na may kinikita din kami, syempre, we really want to help Filipinos. Yun naman talaga yung pinaka goal natin. Matulungan yung mga Filipino, no, na kumita din. So in terms of money, pwede naman natin kitain sa ibang mga ginagawa natin. Pero dito, I guarantee yung malaki din talaga yung kikitain nyo kapag ginawa nyo ito. Okay, so tuloy-tuloy lang natin yung pagtulong sa iba kasi yung income naman will follow. Okay, hindi ko na-discuss yun. Ito yung mga teammates natin, yung mga meetups natin. Okay, so may mga pa-t-shirts din tayo sa mga events. And yung mga yung mga contest, ayan, congratulations to may Subic Party qualifier tayo. Ayan, si Adrian. Yan, congratulations, no. So may mga ganito tayo mga pakulugay sa community natin. Okay? Fast forward ko lang yung mga ibang contest. And ayan, so lastly, so opportunities, no, don't wait. The market moves with or without you. So it's up to you. You heard this opportunity tonight. It's up to you kung pag-iisipan mo pa siya. Pwede mo naman siyang pag-isipan. Pero kami, ginawa na namin yan. Pinag-isipan na namin lahat. Okay? Ako personally, I gave up my position, no, as unit manager para gawin ito. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, seryoso ako dito sa ginagawa ko. And seryoso din ako sa pagtulong sa mga tao. Okay? Kasi ako, kung nakita ko yung opportunity to earn here, bakit ikaw hindi mo makita? Okay, so good luck, no? Good luck everyone and God bless you. Thank you sa pakikinig nyo tonight and I hope and pray no na makapag-decide kayo tonight. Pero yung link kasi will be available mid this month. Okay, mid-November, mga November 15 to 17, no? Kasi we are transitioning. Okay, so habang hindi pa kayo nakapag-enroll, hindi pa kayo nakapag-register, okay lang po yun. Okay, magpa-add na kayo sa mga tryout GCs ng mga nag-invite sa inyo para pwede na rin kayo mag-start. Tapos, kung sino yung coach na naka-assign sa inyo, pwede na kayo magpa-guide paano ba yung... May mga available videos din naman tayo for that. Okay? Okay, so do you have any questions, team? Meron ba? May mga tanong ba kayo sa presentation natin? Okay, wala naman. Sige, picture na lang tayo. Then we're done with our introduction to Forex trading. Ayan. Can you turn on your cameras, guys, no, before kayo mag-leave? Para naman may picture tayo. Hello, Mary Jane. Hello, Jeff. Aiko. Agnes. Romualdo. Richter. Gib. Nell, Jack, Arlene. All right, so ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, isa pa. 1, 2, 3, smile. God bless everyone. Thank you and have a great evening, everybody.